In the year 2025, where technology seamlessly blends with daily life, a young woman named Elena embarks on a journey to rediscover her passion. On the first day, Elena sits in her modern workspace filled with holographic screens and futuristic gadgets. With determination etched on her face, she scribbles in a journal marked Passion 2025. The camera captures the gentle glow of smart devices casting vibrant reflections, setting the stage for her month-long challenge. Week 1 is all about discovery. Elena dives headfirst into various activities, trying her hand at painting with bold strokes, strumming a guitar while learning new chords, coding her first app, and practicing yoga surrounded by lush greenery. Each scene is filled with energy and wonder, accompanied by uplifting music that mirrors her exploratory spirit. As the first week fades, week 2 begins the skill-building phase. Elena focuses on honing her craft. The video shows close-ups of her fingers dancing over guitar strings, her focused expression as she sculpts intricate details in clay, and her intense gaze while studying coding videos on her laptop in a cozy setup. Her progress is palpable, driven by determination and passion, as seen in her subtle smile of satisfaction after each achievement. By the third week, Elena is ready to share her passion with the world. A montage showcases her hosting a workshop in a sunlit studio, capturing her joy as she guides a small group through creative exercises. Scenes shift to Elena posting her journey on social media with vibrant visuals of likes and supportive comments flooding in. She chats animatedly with friends, sharing her excitement and newfound confidence. In the fourth week, transformation takes center stage. Elena's confidence radiates as she smiles broadly, standing in front of a finished artwork, her fingers dancing skillfully over the guitar, and laughter echoing in the air as she celebrates with friends. Her journey is one of personal growth, unlocking happiness she never knew she could achieve in just a month. As the challenge concludes, a cinematic shot captures Elena standing on a hill, the first rays of sunrise painting the sky with hopeful hues. The words 30-Day Passion Challenge completed appear in bold text, framing her silhouette against the dawn of a new chapter. Elena's story, told in vibrant 4K visuals, is one of finding joy and fulfillment, driven by the courage to follow her passion.